Gentlemen, if you're a man over 60 and you're applying castor oil at the wrong time, you might be missing out on a significant portion of its potential benefits for your morning vitality. I'm Dr. Christina Morgan, a urologist, and today I'm here to reveal optimal timing for a better chance at maximizing results, potentially helping you support energy, circulation, and that robust feeling of male vigor. Stop guessing, start optimizing. This isn't just about a simple oil, it's about exploring how to unlock your body's nightly restorative potential. And in just a moment, I'll share the one exact timing mistake that nearly every man over 60 makes and how fixing it could completely change your morning. Please remember, this video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your health routine, especially if you have underlying conditions or are on medication. For many men over 60, the problem. Why men over 60 struggle natural aging process can bring about challenges. Persistent low energy, concerns about circulation, and a general decline in that youthful feeling of vitality. You might wake up feeling sluggish, stiff, or simply not as charged as you once were. Many seek solutions in supplements or prescriptions, overlooking simple natural aids. Castor oil, often hailed for its skin and hair benefits, holds a potential for internal wellness too, specifically related to supporting circulation and reducing inflammation. I've seen patients like Gary, a 68-year-old trying to stay active who was frustrated by constant aches and low drive. He tried various remedies, but it wasn't until he learned about the strategic application of castor oil that he began to report a noticeable shift in his morning energy and overall sense of well-being. The key isn't just what you use, but when you use it. And here's the catch. Most men make one simple timing mistake that cancels out nearly all of castor oil's potential benefits. So, let's cut to the chase. The optimal revealed, the 45-minute golden window timing for applying castor oil to potentially maximize its benefits for morning vitality is approximately 45 minutes before you go to sleep. Why this precise window? It's all about aligning with your body's natural rhythms and potentially maximizing absorption during its most restorative phase. As you prepare for rest, your body begins to slow down. Circulation can become more focused on repair, and your skin as an absorptive organ is potentially primed to take in the beneficial compounds of castor oil. Applying it too early might mean some of its efficacy is reduced during your active evening hours. Applying it right before bed might mean less time for absorption before it gets rubbed off. That 45-minute window could allow the ricinoleic acid and other compounds to penetrate effectively, setting the stage for potential optimal internal action overnight. Now let's explore how castor oil works largely due the science. How castor oil works overnight to its primary component, ricinoleic acid. This acid is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. When absorbed, it may help reduce localized inflammation, which can sometimes contribute to aches, stiffness, and restricted blood flow. Reduced inflammation overnight means your body isn't potentially fighting as hard, allowing more energy for repair. But there's an unexpected connection between castor oil circulation and morning vitality that most men never hear about. Let me explain. Furthermore, there's emerging research suggesting that castor oil, when absorbed transdermally, may help stimulate the production of nitric oxide. As we discussed in previous videos, nitric oxide is vital for vasodilation, the widening of blood vessels. Better vasodilation translates to improved circulation, which is crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout your body and supporting healthy erectile function. Applying it before sleep could step-by-step application guide capitalize on your body's natural nocturnal repair cycles. While castor oil doesn't directly boost testosterone by improving sleep quality due to potential reduced discomfort/inflammation and enhancing overall circulation, it indirectly supports an environment conducive to healthy hormone balance. Optimal sleep is foundational for testosterone production and improved blood flow means better overall bodily function. So, by hitting that 45-minute mark, you're potentially giving your body a head start on these vital processes. Ready to incorporate this into your routine? Wait, don't just grab the oil and start rubbing. Because if you apply it the wrong way, you'll lose most of the benefits. Here's the exact method. Here's how to apply castor oil for potentially enhanced morning vitality. First, opt for cold rest hexane-free castor oil. This helps ensure you're getting the purest form without harmful additives. Next, remember the timing. Set a timer for approximately 45 minutes before you plan to go to sleep. Now, where to apply it? Focus on areas that support overall circulation and wellness. A popular spot for overall detoxification and improved gut health, which is linked to systemic inflammation, is a thin layer over your abdomen. You can also target your lower back or kidney area, which may help with muscle relaxation and blood flow to the pelvic region. And don't overlook the perineum or pelvic floor. This area directly supports blood flow to the reproductive organs, so apply a small amount gently here. Remember, a thin, even layer is sufficient. You don't need to drench yourself. Spend a minute or two gently massaging the oil into your skin until it's mostly absorbed. Finally, protect your linens. Castor oil can stain, so wear old pajamas or place a towel under you to protect your sheets. This isn't a one-time fix. Consistency is absolutely key. Incorporate this ritual nightly for at least 4 to 6 weeks to observe potential changes. But here's where 90% of men go wrong, even if they know the timing. Plus, I'll reveal a simple combo to make this ritual even more powerful. Now, to ensure you're truly working towards maximizing those benefits, let's address some common pitfalls and unexpected ways to enhance your castor oil ritual. First, irregularity is a common mistakes and hidden combos major mistake. Applying it sporadically won't yield consistent results. Adherence to the nightly 45-minute window is paramount. Second, using the wrong type of oil, processed or non-hexane-free castor oil, might diminish its therapeutic properties, so always check the label. And third, applying too much oil. More isn't always better. A thin layer helps ensure absorption without excessive mess. For a hidden combo tip, consider adding a drop or two of lavender essential oil to your castor oil before application for an added calming effect, potentially aiding in deeper, more restorative sleep, which indirectly supports hormone balance. Always perform a patch test first. For a deeper experience, after applying the oil, place a warm compress over the abdominal area for 15 to 20 minutes to potentially enhance absorption and relaxation before bed. So, what kind of real results can you expect if you follow this nightly? Let me set some realistic expectations and share a story that might surprise you. Remember, castor oil is a powerful adjunct to a healthy lifestyle, not a magic bullet. Individual results may vary, and these benefits are often observed when combined with other healthy practices. What can you realistically expect from this nightly ritual? Many men report experiencing subtle but noticeable shifts in morning energy, reduced outro stiffness, and an overall sense of greater well-being within a few weeks. I've heard from patients like Fred, a 70-year-old who, after consistently using castor oil at the right time for 6 weeks, mentioned feeling more grounded and ready for the day, and a welcome return of that inner spark he thought was gone. For more profound changes, including potential support for improved circulation and enhanced morning vitality, consistent use over 8 to 12 weeks is often where men truly begin to feel a significant difference. It's about exploring ways to empower your body with the natural tools it needs to thrive. Before introducing any new topical treatment, especially if you have sensitive skin, allergies, or underlying medical conditions, it is absolutely essential to consult your healthcare provider. While generally considered safe for most, some individuals may experience skin irritation or allergic reactions. This information is for educational purposes only and should never be considered a substitute for personalized professional medical advice. Please prioritize your health and always consult your doctor. And before we wrap up, don't miss this. In my next video, I reveal 3 everyday foods that silently drain your testosterone that complements tonight's ritual perfectly. So, are you ready to stop letting age define your vitality and start taking proactive steps to support your male health? This simple, correctly timed castor oil ritual could be a valuable addition to your wellness journey. If this video opened your eyes and gave you actionable steps, please subscribe to Vitality Health 101 channel for more science-backed insights into men's health that actually work. And hit that notification bell so you never miss another crucial video. Also, make sure to check out my video on the surprising foods that drain your testosterone. Your vitality, confidence, and intimate life are absolutely worth investing in. Explore your spark, starting